Hey guys, so just a heads up that this video was recorded actually a few years back, and so that's why there's a different setup and I look different as well. As you may have noticed, I haven't been uploading for a while. Life just got really busy, didn't have the time or the headspace to edit and upload videos, but things are getting a bit better now, so that's why I'm slowly beginning to upload again. So I figured that I'd still upload this video since I already filmed it, and I believe that people can still benefit from this, so enjoy. Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I have a very exciting unboxing of this. This is the Sony A6500. So pretty standard Sony box packaging. Here are some optional accessories that you can get. You've got the standard battery, the battery charger, there's a grip or like a case, the monitor, microphone, and a light if you want that. You can see this is the actual model number, the ILCE-6500. Pretty standard stuff. So we've got customers in Singapore, don't need that. Manual in Japanese, Wi-Fi connection guide. You have Capture One Express. I think this is just a trial, if I'm not mistaken, same as the 6500. Sorry, 6300. These are all your different lenses. So this is an interesting diagram of what's kind of compatible. You've got the guide in Chinese. You've got the guide in a lot of languages, more Chinese, Arabic, and of course you have the one in English. I don't know why they have so many different types, but there you go. This just goes through how to charge, how to connect, and what each of the things are. Inside this box, standard power cable, the eyepiece, the standard eyepiece for the 6500. You have a block charger, which uses USB. So this plugs in to here. Then you get your figure 8, and your figure 8 plugs in to here, and then that's how you charge. Now, it doesn't come with a battery charger, so it comes with a battery, right? The standard MPFW50s. You can see here, MPFW50, but it doesn't come with a battery charger, so you have to keep that in mind. So if you've seen my channel, I've bought heaps of battery chargers, so I've got one here. So I bought this battery charger, I've adapted it with the Apple figure 8 adapter, like this, and it's really handy. You just slot it in and it charges like that. So if you wanna get some of these, I'll leave a link in the description for these as well. So that's the battery, that's how you charge it. They have a camera strap, which I would never use. They also have the two adapters for the different countries. So I'm assuming this is a kit which they just send out to many different countries. So obviously this is kind of like your Malaysia, China, and this is like your US, and also other Asian countries have this connector as well. In terms of the eyepiece, I don't know if you can see, but there's a different material. So it's rubber around the edge, and then it's plastic. You can see the plastic bit is shiny and the rubber bit is not, it's matte. Finally, the camera itself, that's all that's in there. It comes in this paper mesh covering. Other big improvements is the touchscreen. So the screen's slightly different. Touchscreen, let's chuck this on. Oh, it's slotted on. Okay, so they've changed the way that that's mounted. With the A6300, you have to clip it on, whereas this one is to slide it on. So you have to slide. Last time you just clip it on, but this one you slide. Or maybe I was doing it wrong. The eyepiece does look very different. It looks a little bit bigger. Let's take this connector off, just because we don't need that. The flash trigger is where it is. Let's put the battery in as well, might as well. So the battery bottom bit is also different. The A6300 has like a little grip where you slide across. This one has a little flap. Here, SD card slot is in there as well. So let's just slot in here and then lock that. You also have the port where you can release this and the charging cable can go through. So I recently bought a adapter for this as well. But let's just put this back. What else? They've changed the buttons up here. So there's two custom buttons up here. I'm going to take these off because I never use them. Ports are still the same. So there's still no headphone jack. So microphone jack, the micro USB where you charge from. and you also have the HDMI as well. Wi-Fi built in, as you can see. The front is pretty much the same, so your lens cap grip. I'll show you the front, might as well. There it is. So it's a 4x3. Two microphones at the front. Again, the screen does not articulate to the front, which is really annoying, but it is what it is. And it's touchscreen. This is your focusing dial here. Hot shoe, as you can see, it has steady, also has steady shot inside. So this has built-in stabilization. Now it's really cool how they've got this notch here. This can indicate, you know, which button's which. So imagine if they just had these two buttons without the notch, that would be very hard. So remember, it is touchscreen. Okay, let's go English. We'll set the area and date. So we are in Australia. Daylight savings is off, I believe. The year. Okay, enter. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, pretty simple. Let's switch to video mode. That's what we're interested in. Let's see if I can chuck a lens on this. So yeah, I probably won't want to go too much into the settings for this video, just because I don't want to make it too long. This isn't a tutorial video on how to use this, just an unboxing. But this is a little bit bigger. The grip is bigger, so I guess that's good. Weight, I reckon it's about the same. I mean, you don't really notice it. But I mainly got it for weddings, so I do shoot weddings. And this will be a great second camera, replacing my old Nikon. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular product, this camera or anything, and I'll try to get around to answering those for you as soon as I can. Let me know what you think about the A6500. Is it a good, upgrade? Do you think I wasted my money on it? But I think it's still a good upgrade. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on it. If you've had experience with it, I'm definitely going to get some videos out where I do, maybe my settings that I use for unboxings and weddings and stuff like that. We'll see in the future. But subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.